India's strategic ambitions have hit a roadblock with the US ending sanctions waiver for Iran's Chabahar port. New Delhi's plans to bypass Pakistan and counter China have been exposed as hollow. The Modi government now finds itself trapped in crisis of its own making as the waivers expiration marks the end of India's uncontested rise in the region. CPIM warns of democratic backslide in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The Communist Party of Indian Marxists has warned of a democratic backslide in Indian occupied Kashmir. The party has expressed concern over harassment of Bengali Muslims and other human rights issues. Mirwais Umar Farooq has paid tribute to Professor Abdul Ghani Butt, a senior Hurriyat leader who has recently passed away. Professor Butt was a respected academic and politician who worked tirelessly for the Kashmiri people. A report has accused the Modi regime of using terrorism as a state policy, both domestically and internationally. This accusation has sparked widespread concerns and debate.